Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ursula, aka the Enhancer of Enhanced Beauty. If you are new to my channel, welcome. You've been rocking with me, welcome back. Today's video, I am bringing a day to night outfit look. This is the outfit. It's a two-piece tracksuit. And we will take this outfit from day to night. But first up, daytime. I reside in the Houston area. Everyone knows that the weather in Houston, today it can be 39 degrees and tomorrow it will be 65 to 70 degrees. Either or, you can rock this tracksuit. So let's just say it's a Saturday and you just have a few errands to run, and it so happened to be one of those days when it's 55 degrees outside. I am going to show you how you would take this look and wear it during the day to run your errands, have a dinner party to attend that night, and you stay out a little bit too long past the time to get totally and completely ready. And that means switching outfits, changing everything up. If you don't have that kind of time, I'll show you how to keep on that same tracksuit and then make it ready for dinner. But up first, it's a little bit airish outside. So what you will do, you can take a scarf. This scarf, it is tan, it has a little bit of red, it has a little bit of black. So I can pair this with this olive green tracksuit, and we are keeping it casual. So I will also, I'm stepping back a little bit because I'm by myself again. I'm wearing some casual Coach tennis shoes. They are a darker brown, but because they have the lighter brown inside of the shoe, and we have this lighter tan here, it can be worn together. So we will put this scarf on, however you wear your scarf. I'm gonna just leave it like that. Add this denim jacket. Grab a pair of shades and you are ready to run your errands. If it's not that cool outside where you have to wear a jacket, you could just rock just your scarf. You're still ready. You're casual, you're cute, you're ready to conquer your day. This will complete your daytime look. And now let's switch it and get ready for the night. All right, I am back with the nighttime look. All I did to take that two-piece tracksuit from daytime to nighttime is accessorize. Remember I said the key to any outfit, whenever you're enhancing it and bringing it to the next level, is to accessorize. I kept on the same hoop earrings, kept on the same necklace. I added the crossbody bag, and all of these accessories are in rose gold. Bangles, I kept on the same ring, and I added rose gold heels. I don't know if you can see them. I also changed the color of my lippy. I wanted to do a little bold lip, and I am wearing NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in Cherry Skies. But this is all you have to do. You are ready for that nighttime dinner party. You're ready to get your photo shoot on, because that's what we do whenever we go out. We all love to have a photo shoot these days. Yes. Olive green and rose gold accessories. And you are ready for your nighttime dinner party, nighttime happy hour, whatever it is, you are ready. Since this was a fashion edition, just a quick day to nighttime look, you might not have an olive green two-piece tracksuit. You may have an olive green bodycon dress. You may have an olive green jumpsuit. Whatever. this is what you can do with the olive green. You can accessorize in rose gold. You can use regular antique gold. You can do silver. I choose to use something that pops against the olive green. If you learned something from this fashion edition day to night, please give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you share this video and stay poppin'. Bye-bye.